All right, you guys, you are now on your second week of your online research for your biographies. Probably about week 3 or 4 if we include the days that we worked when we were at school before spring break. So you should be ready now to move on to your actual presentation. So your research plan overview for the week is for April 6th through April 9th. Friday the 10th is technically a holiday, so you are not going to be required to do any work that day. So during this week, what you're going to be doing is gathering your information that you have found and writing out your script in first person. Now this next one is not required, but you can gather or make props to include in your video. You are going to practice your presentation and then record your presentation video and turn it into Flipgrid by next Tuesday, April 14th. Now, it's not due till Tuesday because Friday the 10th is a holiday as well as Monday the 13th. So students are not required to work those days, so that's why it's due on Tuesday. I wanted to give you the weekend to work just in case you needed your parents' help. So when you're doing this, please do not feel like you have to go buy anything from a store. I don't want you to go out if you don't have to. Use what you have at your house. Get creative. Use your imagination. You'll see my example of my presentation video, and you'll be able to see kind of what I did and what props I used. So this next page is where you're going to source the resources that you used. One of them was PebbleGo, and then you should have used a second source. Right here is how you are supposed to source it. Now, this slide, you may need a parent's help because sourcing can be a little bit tricky to find all the different parts, but it is very important when you are doing research so that you are not plagiarizing, that you are saying where you got your information from. The next 2 slides are where you're going to be able to type out your script. So this is the information that you have found that's on your Google Doc. You can transfer it onto here and write it out in first person by saying like, hi, my name is blah, blah, blah. I was born on blah, blah, blah. So there's 2 slides for that. You can put your first 10 facts here and your last 10, 11 through 20 right there. Next is the Flipgrid link to be able to post your video. That link is on there twice so that you can easily find it. You're going to make a Flipgrid video using the link provided. It needs to be between 1 and 5 minutes long. You're going to be giving your information as if you're the person that you chose. So you're going to use the pronouns I, me, and my a lot. You may dress up like your person and use items around your house as props. Like I said, it's not required, but it will make it more fun and more engaging and exciting. Next is a rubric, kind of breaks down the point system of each part. So if you chose your topic, it's 5 points. If you wrote your 3 questions, it's 5 points. Finding your 20 facts is 10 points. Citing your sources correctly is 10 points. And writing out your script is 10 points. And then practicing and then speaking loudly and clearly is worth 20. Presenting the information in chronological order as if you are the person is worth 20. And then your time limit between 1 and 5 minutes is also worth 20. So you're able to earn 100 points on this assignment. The next few slides are just examples. So here is my example script for the video that I made on Walt Disney. So I wrote it out. Hi, my name is Walter Elias Disney, better known as Walt Disney. I was born in Chicago. So I'm speaking as if I am Walt Disney. Then I included an example of my sources. So how I sourced my 2 websites that I use. So that might help you when you're sourcing yours. And then I posted the link once again, as well as my Flipgrid video. So here's an example that I want you to watch before you make yours so that you know exactly what I'm looking for. Okay? Feel free to message me or leave any comments if you have any questions at all this week.